Hey, this is Jeffrey with Fair Value Trade. It is September 2nd, my favorite month. It's about 9:36 a.m. and the market closes about maybe 12:31. So we're looking what kind of trades we could pull out today. Right now we're looking for a long on the Nasdaq, and we'll see if that will play out. But right now, anybody else trading? Anybody looking at any other markets? Anybody not trading today at all because it's a holiday? I get it. But yeah, we'll see what we can play today. We'll look at the market, give it a shot, and we'll see if it, if it has something to offer. If not, we don't take a trade. If so, we take the trade and, we go with the momentum. Right now, I went with the momentum, sort of a little late entry, just by me talking, not really paying attention. But I went long here off of this pull up through the 20. So I want to see if we can get some up movement to this area. And we got a little protection down here as well. So got about 4 contracts, 5-point volatility. So it's not a big moves that you'll see, but let's see if we can capture some. Alright. And yeah, trade carefully. Alright. Look at any other markets. Let me know what you guys are looking at. Alright, let's see what you guys got. If you're making any trades, if you're just looking, observing is not a bad thing either. If you are just watching and paying attention to the market, see what's going on, waiting for a different setup, there's definitely nothing wrong with that. I've just been in maybe a couple minutes, right? So just want to see what I can extract today. Hopefully something worth extracting. So let's see. See if we can zoom in a little bit. Now I don't want to see green and then come back and see red. My first target is a little ways away, so what I may do is adjust this a little bit more. Sorry for keep moving the screen, guys. Trying to see if I can see this a little clearly, and also for you guys to see this a little clearly as well. I got a little late entry. I wanted to get in as soon as it tapped this 20, but I didn't have my order in the beginning. But I placed a trade. Now we want to see what the trade is going to do. Got about 30 seconds left on this candle, so let's see if it wants to punch up or if it wants to take me out of the game. All right, the soft 400. What do you want to do, Nasdaq? Got about 8 seconds left. I would love for it to just, even if it hit this first target, I'll be satisfied. Hit this first target, maybe come up here to the previous high, this green line. There's resistance up there, so it could come up there and stall. Let's see. I want to capture a little bit more. So let's see, Nasdaq. I'm not pausing the video. I kind of want to see what's going to happen in live time, in real time on this trade. So let's go, Nasdaq. I mean, the Dow is not really giving me anything right now. Nice push. Alright, so let's get a little macro view. Let's protect myself a little bit more. Hitting the second target would be a good thing. Alright, let's see if it wants to hit the second target. Nasdaq is pretty friendly today, this morning, on a holiday. The ES is looking pretty bullish too. The Russell, look at the Russell. Russell's my guy, man. The Russell's always been doing his thing. I wasn't even paying attention to the Russell, but well, what a trade! Look at this jump. Look at this jump, guys. And it could have come up here to the previous close, but it's a beautiful jump. Yeah, beautiful jump. Missed it. Love it though, but I missed it. Anybody else catch that? If you did, man, you're paid if you stuck with those 3 big candles. So let's see if what this guy wants to do in the next 3 seconds. It's showing a little resistance up here, but let's see what these 3 candles can do. Russell definitely looks like it's still penetrating up. What do you want to do, Nasdaq? Got a little stall here. A little stall. You guys might hear some babies in the background, but we still trading. Alright, so I'm still in this Nasdaq trade. And you know, I want this push. Yeah, I want this push. I would love for it to break through these highs, through these horizontal lines. It looks a little more horizontal when I have it flush, but I would love for it to penetrate through these lines here and just take some of these profits. I don't know if I'm gonna make another trade today, so this may be my last trade, my only trade actually. All right, so let's see. Got about 10 seconds left. See what you got, Nasdaq. Could be a little resistance up here, as you see. Came up here, dropped down, came up again, couldn't penetrate it. So I'm still going to trail it. Come on, Nasdaq, let's go. Nice push through. So let's see. See what this bar wants to do. Alright, it looked like it jumped up and I was up here, kind of brought it back in. I want to see if it can pop back up. It was a nice spike, a crazy jump. I don't know what that was, but it spiked up. Let's see if it still wants to stay up there. I would love that. Come on, Nasdaq, push through, baby. I mean, I'm blowing you. There we go. Alright, so let's see. I mean, we could be up for the rest of the day. To be honest with you guys, we literally could be up for the rest of the day. So we got about 35 seconds left on this candle. And if you guys are watching any other market, the Russell still is like trying to pull through. I don't see why I can't easily take this red candle out. It's still at high. So we'll see. We'll see. This is looking pretty bullish still. And it could be a little resistance, but it could just be a pullback. It could just be a little small pullback. And yeah. Alright, so the Russell's still looking like one of my favorites. Let's see the ES. I mean, if you want to see the ES, it's following Nasdaq. It cleared its high. Alright, let's get back to that ES. I mean, I want to trail this. I don't want this to come back too far on me. So let's get up to this little, maybe a support area. It could bounce from it. It could stay on the top half and keep going up. But we got a minute left. So we'll see how this candle turns out. And the thing about trading is, you know, you just want to protect yourself. And right now I'm trailing it. And I'm protecting myself from too much of a downside. Hopefully it bounces. It didn't. Okay. Alright. Satisfied. Right? Not a bad trade today. Not a bad trade. And that's my only trade. And that's the only trade I plan on taking right now. Alright? I got in right here, a little late, but we just watched it go all the way up. Got out about right here. Took 3 targets. Wasn't a bad trade. Alright, we'll post this, guys. Not a long video, but man, like, subscribe, come back for more. And if you guys have any questions, holler at me, shoot it to me. Alright, we're gonna keep doing this, and yeah, we got some big things coming. Alright, it's Fair by Trade, guys. Enjoy your Labor Day.